Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, we are going to download the latest wallpaper from the Microsoft, and even you can change it on daily basis. So when you click on here and then choose the wallpaper, you should have the options to change every wallpaper here. But how you can get these wallpapers automatically on your Windows? So here is the option for you. So these are lot of options here. Even you can filter by the this according to the travel, and there are category is defined on Windows 11, Xbox, stall, wild animal, animated. So how you can download this Microsoft Bing wallpaper on your Windows? Let me show you. Okay, so first of all what you need to do is you need to right click on your desktop, and basically you have to enable the options personalize. Just click on that option and then go to here background, and now when you see this option pictures, select to Windows Spotlight. And once you select the Windows Spotlight, it will automatically change your background like this. But this will change the background according to the limitations on your Windows. It may be again repeating the same wallpaper again and again after 1 to 2 changes or maybe 3 changes. But if you want to permanently keep the latest and the wallpaper according to your need, and so there is options called Bing wallpaper. How you can enable this option on Windows? Just select the option explore background, and once you search it you will land into this page. Just click on here download now, then click on here. You can see there are lot of wallpapers here. Just select this exe. Okay, and exe will be downloaded like this. I just downloaded it, so that is the reason I'm pausing it. And once you downloaded this, it will be show like this. Just make a double click on it to run on your system, and thereafter simply search here Bing wallpaper, open it, and it will be coming up like this. So you can choose the category wise according to your preferences. You can even select all of them, and whichever you like you can select that like this. Okay, so and even there is the options here, more actions here. You should able to get this option. Otherwise you can disable this wallpaper with these options here: daily wallpaper, refresh, enable, show AI images, enable widgets. So there are multiple options here, and even when you right click on it and see the Bing wallpaper, show previous wallpaper, show next wallpaper, take daily quiz, and many more. Explore, learn about the picture, and when we see the next here you can see, and when we search the previous wallpaper, so we have the options. Okay, so this is pretty good in Windows 11, and I hope this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.